What's up? Not a sponsored video. Wish it was a sponsored video. Muc-Off. What happened? We had something good going. Anyways, we've got our Muc-Off power washer with both bicycle and motorcycle attachments on there. We've got the snow foaming gun, and we've got the filthy Ninja with the new slip-on Lea Vinci exhaust. That was a successful partnership, Muc-Off. Now that I have the power washer, I just need more snow foam. So just hook your boy up with some snow foam. Enough of me talking. Let's just spray this thing. And this is gonna be pretty much a touchless wash. So satisfying. All right, Muc-Off. Now you might actually have to send me one because it worked for half a bike wash and then it broke. Oh, I think we're back in business. All right, now that we're pretty much out of snow foam and we've sprayed the whole bike, I'm gonna switch over to the motorcycle attachment, which is a little more abrasive than the bicycle attachment. And we're gonna spray all this off. Motorcycle attachment's on. The best way to dry this off is going to be with the air compressor, so I'm going to start the air compressors now. All right, there it is, all finished up. Everything is clean and dried for the most part. And I would say touchless wash with the Muc-Off power washers, pretty legit. Yeah, anyways, my bike's clean. Like if you enjoyed this video, comment if you have any other questions or concerns or suggestions, and subscribe so that you don't miss out on future moto content. Thanks for watching.